Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting power and preventing accidental activation. Remove the batteries and any auxiliary power first. Once done, photograph the lock and surrounding trim so you can reverse the steps. Next, use the appropriate screwdriver and place screws in a labeled container. Start by removing the interior cover or faceplate, usually held by hidden tab or 2 screws. Make sure to keep small parts organized and note which screws came from which hole. This saves time when reinstalling. With the faceplate off, support the interior assembly so it doesn't fall when you remove mounting screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the interior unit away and locate any wiring harnesses. Disconnect connectors by pressing the tab and pulling straight out to avoid damage. Then, turn the tailpiece or cam to the unlocked position and slide it out of the spindle. This frees the lock body. Carefully work the outer unit through the door, feeding any remaining wires back through the hole to avoid snags. Now remove the deadbolt assembly by unscrewing the edge plate and pulling the bolt out of the door edge. Once removed, test the latch and door alignment and either reinstall the original mechanical cylinder or fit a blank plate to cover the hole. Make sure screws are snug but not over-torqued, and that the strike plate aligns with the bolt. If the bolt binds or the door won't latch, try a little lubrication and recheck screw positions. If still stuck, loosen the strike. Reseat the bolt, then red-tighten.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.